There's the view of the trunk. I'm gonna be getting all the little seam sealer little pieces out. Old seam sealer. And then I'm fixing all this up here. That's rusted out as well. No metal work, all fiberglass. Cause I'm getting a new trunk. This is for temporary. And I'll take you along the process.
Perfect, perfect.
Alright, I'm back. There it is, taped off. And I got the fiberglass mat hanging up there. Get you a little closer. That's how it's gonna look. Just got it laid up there. And I'm finna get ready to put some resin. Alright, I'm back. I got the fiberglass laid up. How that looks. Now I'm finna mix up my resin. Got some polyester resin. If you want some of this, you can contact me at onemanbodyshop@gmail.com, and I'll let you know the price and I'll get you some. Alright, so I'm just gonna mix that up. Got my paintbrush. We just gonna. Alright, there it is. One coat of the resin. One coat of the resin. I'm gonna let that dry and I'm gonna sand it down. What's not coated gonna get trimmed off so it'll blend in with the curves. Alright, I'm back. First coat of filler is on. That's how that look. I had put some tape up here just to block that off so I won't get none in there. Now I'm finna hit it with some 80 grit and then put another coat on. Alright, I'm back. That's the third coat of body filler on there. That's how that look. I had took this cutting tool right here and went in and cut my groove back so it'll look like two pieces and not one. And I'm gonna show you the other side that I got majority done. I just got a little detail work to finish up. That's why that black on there, to show everything. But I cut that line back in just to make it look like it's two pieces. And I'm gonna finish this off. This probably got 2 more coats of filler to go. And this probably got a skim coat of filler to go. And this is in 120. And I still got this in 80. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna catch you on the next one.